Okay, so this is the part 2 of day 1 of the Scratch Academy, and welcome back. So now we're going to be looking at bitmap, which is the opposite of vector. Well, maybe not the opposite, but it's just the different, like a different way to use it, to use to draw in Scratch. So now let's see. Most, the first tool in bitmap is select. You can grab it like this, boom, and take it to here, where you can then grab this, boom, and take it to here, where you can now grab this, boom, boom, and take it to here. Then you can delete it with the eraser, which is basically the vector one. You should have watched the part 1 first. If you didn't, why are you here? Go watch the part 1. I'm not going to talk to you until you watch the part 1. But I still need to talk to the people that did watch the part 1, so. Then the next tool is the text tool. Or you can say, hmm? Okay, for some reason it isn't working for me, but it will probably work for you. Then there's the color, which is the same. Was the same how to pick your color thing as uh, as a vector. And then there's the fill tool which fills, the brush tool which brushes, and then you can fill in. Also you can change its size. Then there's the line tool, which you can make a line out of. Also if you use shift, okay, never mind, looks like the shift thing doesn't work here. But you can change its thickness. Maybe not size, but thickness. Boom. Then there's the circle tool, which works like this. And this one does have its shift thing, and also its alt thing. Also, in this one you have to choose if it's filled or outlined, and if it's outlined, you can choose the thickness of the outline. Then there's the square, which is basically the same thing as the circle, but with squares and rectangles. I'm gonna change the thickness, and lastly, then I didn't talk about this in the part 1 because I didn't have enough time, but there's also undo and redo, like bom 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 bom, and you can also do it with Control Z and Control Y. See, it also works in vector. But Like you can name the sprites, you can also name the costumes. Oh, and like the sprites, you can also get the costumes like in the exact same way of the sprites. And the only difference is that when choosing a costume out of the costume bin, instead of showing you the sprites, it shows you the every costume that's in that every sprite has. Like I can choose uh, motorcycle C if I want. And now I have a gift for you. And this gift is that I'm going to show you how to use the backgrounds. So yeah, the backgrounds are pretty much the same thing as the sprites, except that they're immovable. Like if I choose something like this, we can't move it. And also there are different backgrounds. You can still paint them the same way and choose a surprise one and upload the backgrounds. And the only difference is that like okay, I can't think of any other differences. Also, when choosing backgrounds or sprites, there are different tabs you can search for. Like if you want something underwater, you can find it, and also you can search for something. Ta-da! And then sprites. Oh, dance. Lastly, you can name your projects different things and save them. Bye.